today's vlog is gonna be more about element of crime. What is the element of crime? Or ang tinatawag nila dito, the crime triangle. The triangle represent part or element of a certain thing. So, without one side of the triangle, the remaining two will not exist, or the triangle will collapse. As a result, triangle of crime doesn't or is not exist or happen. So meaning in Tagalog term, ang triangle ng crime, pag mawala yung isa, pag mawala yung isang side, or mawala yung base, hindi daw po mag-i-exist ang criminality. Ang criminal hindi daw makagawa ng crime. So meaning, the crime triangle or elements of crime, first one is intent, motive, or pareho lang yan, desire. Intent, ang intent natin, that when we say intent, motive, or desire is a negative or positive. They will be engaged as, for example, makuha natin yung girl na ating pinapangarap. So, ang positive intent natin is ligawan natin siya. So, gaya ng magandang binibining ito.
Bago ang dahilan kung bakit Lakswag naman ang ginagamit Kaya pala iba datingan niya Sa kinis ng balat ay masisilaw ka.
Okay, so nakita nyo. So, ang motive ko or ang desire ko kung ako ay niligawan siya, bigyan siya ng maranyang buhay, ibigay sa kanya yung pagmamahal, yung lahat, makuha mo lang siya. Yan yung positive intent, positive motive, or a positive desire. Like, other people, ayaw nila ng gano'n. Gusto nila i-shortcut. So meaning, ang negative desire niya, ang negative motive niya, i-rape ko ito. Yan yung motibo niya. So ngayon nagkakaroon na ng isang side ang crime triangle. Okay, now punta naman tayo dun sa pangalawang side ng crime triangle. Instrumentality, capability, or ability. So instrumentality or capability, the quality of being capable, ability to do something. So, may motibo ka na, intent ka na, may desire ka na namang rape. So, yung capacity mo, yung capability mo, hindi ka disabled, kayang-kaya mong gawin yun. Dagdagan pa ng instrumentality. Instrumentality meaning refers to those instruments used to a certain criminal activity. Like for example, firearms, knife, even anything na by means of hard object, kaya natin gamitin to utilize para mangyari yung intent na bad intent, na negative intent, at saka yung desire na mang-rape. We cannot eradicate, we cannot eliminate those desire ng bawat tao. Kahit ako may positive desire ako. Gusto kong yumaman, in a positive way, magsisikap ako. There are a lot of people gustong yumaman, shortcut. So, napakahirap yun. Gusto mong yumaman, shortcut. So, ang ginawa nila, desire nila magnakaw. By using your capability para makagawa yung criminality, by using instrument like firearms, like gun, like knife, we cannot eradicate also the instrumentality and capability. Kasi any hard object we can utilize to do such criminality. Pwede kang pumatay ng tao by using key. Pwede kang pumatay ng tao by using pen. Pwede kang pumatay ng tao by using anything, by using stone. So as what I have said kanina, we cannot eradicate the intent, the motive, and desire. Also, we cannot eradicate the capability or the instrumentality. Hindi ho natin pwedeng ma-eradicate yan or mawala yan sa isang kriminal dahil lahat po na bagay na sa paligid nyo ay pwedeng to be utilized to do such crime. Kung magnakaw ka sa bahay, akyat ka ba? May dala ka bang ladder? No, anything na nandun, nalubid sa area malapit, pwede mong gamitin instrument para magawa mo yung desire mo at capability mo. There are a lot of people kayang bumaril na malalayo to do such mission or crime para mapatay ang tao by using the instrument gun. So meaning, the first one, desire, mapunta sa instrument and capability. So dalawang side na ng triangle. Malapit na mabuo ang crime ng triangle. The last one is opportunity or a possibility. You're inviting criminal. Like for example, may desire na siya naman rape, may instrument at kapasidad na siya na kakayahan or gamit para man-rape. So ngayon binigyan mo pa ng opportunity. You're inviting criminal. Like naka-open yung kanyang pintuan. Like naka-open ang yung condo. Like naka-open ang yung gate. At walang security personnel. So opportunity is a chance given. No? The victim provide opportunity. No? Like for example, okay, yung tao may opportunity, may desire. Okay, may capacity na siya, or kapasidad na siya, capability, or instrument, kutsilyo, para yung desire niya naman rape, mangyayari. So ngayon, yung opportunity, binigay mo pa as a girl, nagbigay ka pa ng area, saan kayo magkikita, nagbigay ka ng chance doon sa intruders, nagbigay ka doon sa ka-chatmate mo ng opportunity. So, nangyari yung crime triangle. May desire na siya, may instrument or capability, binigyan mo pa ng opportunity, so nabuo yung crime. Nabuo yung elements of crime. So, nag-exist yung crime, hindi nakukulapse. We are not doing this for a victim blaming. We are doing this para ma-motivate tayo na tayo mismo hindi makapagbigay ng opportunity para hindi makapag-commit ang tao ng crime. As a house owner, huwag tayo magbibigay ng opportunity na makapasok ang isang magnanakaw. So, lagyan natin ng gate ang bahay, lagyan natin ng mga metallic object doon yung paligid, maglagay tayo ng aso para yung oportunidad ng mga intruders papasok sa bahay natin, hindi mangyayari. Dahil makukulaps, dahil ang opportunity ay kayang-kaya nating ma-eradicate or ma-eliminate. For example, sa building, as a security and safety personnel, you might be doing your excellent job. So ngayon, yung visibility, para yung opportunity ng mga magnanakaw, hindi mabubuo. Para yung crime triangle hindi mabubuo. So meaning, as a security and safety practitioner, ito yung maging preventive measure natin para yung crime triangle will not exist, will not happen. Tatanggalin natin yung opportunity, yung desire niya mang-rape. Kaya nating matanggal ang opportunity na yon, yung mindset nila na magnakaw sa bangko. So ngayon, huwag natin bibigyan ng opportunity. Lagyan natin ng security personnel, lagyan natin ng additional personnel, lagyan natin ng alarm connected sa PNP. So yung opportunity na manakawan yung bangko, nalilesen or na-eradicate. Sa building, sa condominium, isarado natin yung gate, magbigay tayo ng hardened inspection, mag-additional tayo ng K9, mag-additional security, additional patrol, para yung opportunity ng mga intruders hindi ho mabubuo. Yun lang at maraming salamat po. I hope na may natutunan tayo. Inuulit ko, yung crime triangle, yung desire, yung capacity, capability and instrument, hindi ho natin ma-eradicate, pero ang ma-eradicate natin, yung opportunity na providing a chance or a possibility to happen, kayang-kaya nating ma-eradicate kung maging alerto tayo, maging visible tayo, at maging ipakita natin na we are doing our job as security and safety practitioner. Magawa natin yun by the help of everyone. Yun lang at maraming salamat po. Hope na may natutunan kayo sa topic na ito at magagamit natin in our day-to-day function as security and safety practitioner. Maraming salamat po. God bless, God bless.